Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. Today I'm going to cook snapper fish with different vegetable fresh first harvest from my garden. First thing to do, we need to add water the frying pan or pot, like estimate like 1 liter or 3 cups of water, and then you have to add tomato slice 1/2 and also 1/2 onion, and of course the lemongrass, and bring to boil. So when the fish, this guys, the vegetables is sweet potato vegetables and flower squash and saluyot, and also I slice the snapper which I marinate with salt whole night. And then now the water is boiled already, so we need to add the snapper fish, and you have to boil really good so the smell and to get rid of the smell of the fish. So this kind of soup guy is very healthy, no oil, no butter, is we call that lawoy in our language. And bring to boil, make sure that boil that very well until the fish is cooked. Now add 1 tablespoon of black pepper or corn pepper and bring to boil again. This is one of my favorite dishes guys in the Philippines because it's very healthy, and especially the fish is very fresh and a lot of fats, and also the vegetable is I harvest from my own garden which I planted. So now bring to boil again and add the 1 tablespoon of fish sauce or patis. So bring to boil again and also add beef powder stock, or else you like the MSG, then you can add MSG. It's up to you guys, but I don't use the MSG. But this, I bought the Korean restaurant, they call beef stock powder, is really good. So that is good for soup. So now I add 1 tablespoon of beef stock, beef powder, or they have no beef powder, is beef cube or fish cube, whatever you like, and a little bit salt. And also you have to bring to boil again and make sure I put like rotate the fish, because I need to make sure the fish is really cooked and the smell is good. It's very healthy. So number 2 guys is good for benefits. The lemongrass is good for your body, antioxidant, and help your cholesterol and also your blood pressure. It's really good. So now I got ready to add some green leafy, different kinds of leafy and healthy vegetable. I harvest that this today. Yesterday, harvest the first harvest the plants in my backyard, which I grow all of that, and also that flower squash. So it's really good guys. Usually in our village or our province, we always use this. We're not really like to cook meat because we can't afford and it's too expensive. So when I was young, I saw my parents, or especially my mother, she always cook this way, and very healthy, and a lot of vitamins. So you have to boil like 1 minute only. Don't overcook the vegetable or leafy vegetable because it's good look messy. So now it's 1 minute. You have to cover it and then get ready to serve your food or soup and enjoy with your family, friends, and also we eat this with rice. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please leave comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also don't forget the notification bell so every time I upload my video, you always updated. Thank you, and to all my viewers and to all my silent subscriber viewers, to all my friends, thank you very much, and to all my subscriber, thank you for visiting my channel. Please like and share and subscribe. God bless. Be safe. Thank you very much.